Having the right cordless mini chainsaw in your tool arsenal can transform how you approach gardening, pruning, and woodcutting projects. With their compact size and impressive power, these chainsaws offer the perfect balance of convenience and efficiency for all your outdoor needs. We've done the research and found the best cordless mini chainsaws for you, so you don't have to. If you're interested in any of these products, you can find the links in the description below. So, let's start. The first on our list is the Beihong Mini Chainsaw. This mini chainsaw stands out for its exceptional combination of power, safety, and convenience, making it a perfect tool for everyone, from beginners to professionals. At the heart of its performance lies an upgraded, powerful copper motor. This motor isn't just about raw power, it provides a longer run time, increased torque, and an ultra-high chain speed of 19.2 feet per second. Imagine cutting through a 6-inch diameter log in about 4 seconds. It's that efficient. What sets this chainsaw apart is its user-friendly design. Weighing in at just 1.8 pounds, its slim body allows for one-hand use, making it accessible and comfortable for a wide range of users, including women and the elderly. Long periods of use won't leave you feeling fatigued thanks to its lightweight and ergonomic design. Battery life is often a concern with cordless tools, but not with this mini chainsaw. It comes equipped with 2 large-capacity 21-volt lithium batteries, offering about 40 minutes of cutting time on a single charge. And with a full charge taking just 1.5 hours, you're back to work in no time. Plus, these batteries feature self-overload and temperature protection for a longer lifespan and are compatible with Makita batteries, adding convenience and flexibility. Safety is paramount, and the Beihong Mini Chainsaw excels here with 4 security measures. These include a switch lock to prevent accidental activation, a safety cover flip to guard against wood splashing, goggles to protect your eyes from debris, and a chain brake for precise stops, enhancing safety and accuracy. The second on our list is the Tai-Tok Mini Chainsaw. The Tai-Tok Mini Chainsaw redefines efficiency and ease of use in the compact chainsaw market. Slim, lightweight, and incredibly powerful, this tool is every homeowner's dream for tackling outdoor tasks. It's designed to be so user-friendly that it makes an excellent gift for grandparents, embodying the principle that powerful tools can also be seniors-friendly. What sets the Tai-Tok Mini Chainsaw apart is its monstrous power packed into a super mini frame. Equipped with an 880-watt high-power motor and a durable manganese steel chain, it slices through a 6-inch diameter log in just 8 seconds. This is a stark contrast to the traditional axe method, which could take up to 5 minutes for the same task, showcasing not just efficiency, but also a significant reduction in effort and fatigue. The auto oiler system is a standout feature, ensuring the chainsaw's longevity and optimal performance. By simply adding motor oil to the tank, the chainsaw's chain stays lubricated, reducing wear and tear and making cutting smoother than ever. This feature, combined with the chainsaw's slim and mini size, ensures comfortable handling and no fatigue even after extended use, making it an ideal choice for seniors and women. With 2 large-capacity 2,000 mAh batteries, the Tai-Tok Mini Chainsaw promises uninterrupted work, whether it's woodcutting, garden pruning, or any other outdoor task. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool for gardens, farms, parks, and more. Moreover, the inclusion of self-overload and temperature protection ensures these batteries have a much longer life. The third on our list is the Saker Mini Chainsaw. The Saker Mini Chainsaw is a testament to cutting-edge design and efficiency, making it a versatile companion for anyone keen on gardening, do-it-yourself projects, or outdoor activities. This chainsaw boasts a larger cutting surface with a 6-inch cuttable face length and a total steel plate length of 9 inches, enabling you to tackle thicker trees and meet a wider range of cutting needs with ease. At the heart of the Saker Mini Chainsaw's prowess is its strong dynamic system, featuring a high-quality guide chain that has undergone an intensive deep quenching process, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting. Coupled with a pure copper motor, this chainsaw cuts through tasks with higher efficiency and speed, significantly reducing the time and effort required for each cut. One of the most appealing features of the Cordless Mini Chainsaw is its rechargeable electric design, equipped with a 20-volt 1500 mAh lithium battery. It offers prolonged use and comes with an additional battery for convenient charging, ensuring you're always ready for the task at hand. The upgraded copper wire high-efficiency motor further enhances this by providing longer runtime, more torque, and more power, leading to an extended tool lifespan. Safety is paramount, and the Cordless Mini Chainsaw addresses this with a safety lock and high-quality chain to prevent accidental startup and debris scatter, alongside new battery technology that includes 5 types of protection for a secure operation. The fourth on our list is the Cordless Mini Chainsaw. This mini chainsaw brings innovation and versatility to the forefront with its unique 6 or 4-inch chain switch design, making it a game changer for those who value flexibility in their tools. This new design allows users to quickly switch between 6-inch and 4-inch chains, adapting effortlessly to the size of the wood they're cutting. Whether you're dealing with larger, thicker wood or regular-sized branches, the Cordless Mini Chainsaw is up to the task, ensuring smooth cuts in seconds without the need to purchase extra chains. Power isn't just a word when it comes to the Cordless, it's a guarantee. With its upgraded power motor, this mini chainsaw can cut through 5 inches of wood in about 5 seconds, offering unmatched efficiency for tree trimming, camping, and gardening. This powerful performance is complemented by not 1, but 2 upgraded 24-volt 2 ampere-hour Li-ion rechargeable batteries, providing over 2 hours of runtime and significantly extending the duration of your projects. Safety and convenience have been thoughtfully considered in the design of the Cordless Mini Chainsaw. It features a dual switch and baffles to prevent wood chips from splashing, ensuring a safer work environment. The addition of a pair of work gloves in the kit emphasizes the brand's commitment to user safety. Moreover, the chainsaw comes with a rich array of accessories, including 3 replacement chains, a quick charger, and more, all neatly packed in a portable carry case for easy transportation. The fifth and final on our list is the Omniverse Mini Chainsaw. The Omniverse Mini Chainsaw redefines what it means to combine efficiency with user-friendliness in a compact chainsaw. It boasts an impressive 19.2 feet per second high-efficient cutting capability, allowing it to slice through a 6-inch diameter log in roughly 8 seconds, varying slightly with the wood's size and hardness. This kind of efficiency makes it a powerhouse for quick, clean cuts, ensuring your work is done swiftly and effectively. What truly sets the Omniverse apart is its 2.5-pound ultralight design. The slim, lightweight build of this chainsaw makes it a breeze to handle, even in the most confined spaces, making it an excellent tool for everyone. Its design is particularly thoughtful towards women and the elderly, ensuring that prolonged use doesn't lead to fatigue, thus promoting longer, more comfortable work sessions. The Omniverse doesn't just stop at being lightweight and efficient. It also comes equipped with 2 21-volt large-capacity battery packs. These removable and rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium batteries are designed for longevity, featuring self-overload and temperature protection to extend your battery life and, by extension, your work period without frequent stops for recharging. An upgraded powerful copper motor drives the Omniverse Mini Chainsaw, enhancing its runtime, torque, and overall power. This improvement means less wear and tear on the chainsaw, significantly extending its lifespan and ensuring it remains a reliable tool in your arsenal for a long time. And that ends our list of the best cordless mini chainsaws. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect one for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.